Let's explore the world of username validation rules. In this video, we will be creating regular expressions, often shortened to Regex, to validate username format requirements. Usernames are an integral part of online identity, and it's important that they adhere to certain formats for security and usability reasons. So let's dive in and get started. Here are some common username requirements that you'll often encounter. First, length constraints. Usernames typically need to be between 3 and 20 characters long. Second, character types. Allowed characters usually include letters, numbers, underscores, and hyphens. Third, start or end rules. Usernames often must begin and end with alphanumeric characters. Finally, restrictions. Consecutive special characters are usually not permitted. Now, let's discuss the basic character classes in regular expressions. The expression within square brackets, AZ0-9, represents alphanumeric characters, that is, letters and numbers. Alternatively, you can use the shorthand \W, which stands for word characters and includes lowercase a to z, uppercase a to z 0 to 9, and the underscore. The expression within square brackets, _hyphen, _dash, represents common allowed special characters like underscore and hyphen. Combining these, AZ0-9 _ gives you all the allowed characters for a typical username. Let's talk about length constraints. Quantifiers in regular expressions are used to control the length of the username. The expression within curly braces, 320, means that the username should be between 3 and 20 characters long. The expression within curly braces, 5, means that the username should be 5 or more characters long. Finally, the expression within curly braces, 15, means that the username can be up to 15 characters long. Here is a simple username pattern. This pattern allows for 3 to 20 alphanumeric characters, underscores, and hyphens. The regular expression is $AZ0-9 $20. The caret symbol asserts the start of the string. As AZ0-9 matches any alphanumeric character, underscore, or hyphen. 320 specifies that we want between 3 and 20 of these characters. The $$ symbol asserts the end of the string. Now let's enforce that the username must start and end with only alphanumeric characters. Here's how we can achieve that. $AZ0- indicates that it must start with an alphanumeric character. AZ0-9 * allows the middle part to include alphanumeric characters and special characters like underscores and hyphens. AZ0-9 ensures that it must end with an alphanumeric character. Here's the complete pattern that incorporates start and end constraints along with length validation. The regular expression is $AZ0-9 AZ0-9 _ 18 AZ0-$. The expression $AZ0-9 ensures that the username starts with an alphanumeric character. AZ0-9 _ 18 allows for 1 to 18 alphanumeric characters, underscores, or hyphens in the middle. Finally, AZ0-9 ensures that the username ends with an alphanumeric character. Let's see how to implement this in Python. First, import the re module for regular expressions. Define a function validate _username that takes a username as input. The pattern variable is assigned the regular expression. Our is AZ0-9 AZ0-9 _ 18 is AZ0-9. The function returns true if the username matches the pattern, and false otherwise. In the test examples, John _Doe returns true while _invalid returns false. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.